What's up, all? Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a Tuesday look at your national forecast. Main weather story are the expected now remnants of Tropical Storm Cristobal. May still be hanging on as a tropical depression by name. A lot of heavy rain as it is a slab of the Gulf of Mexico will interact with the cold front, bringing in issues of flooding and severe weather for much of land in the nation. But let's talk about heat first. Dallas, Texas, I'll pick on you. Your high temperature for today, not just the famous boy band, but also, your high temp, 98 degrees this afternoon. In the southwest U.S., dry, windy areas of Los Angeles, New Mexico, Texas, elevated to critical wildfire threats. So red flag warnings are out in some of these areas. No outside burning. Will not take much for a wildfire to get going. Wind advisories, high wind warnings are out for much of the southwest and south central U.S. Colorado Springs, for example, nearly 60 miles per hour for those wind gusts. Semi-drivers take note of that. And also wrapping up some snow, 5 to 8 inches through about 9 a.m. today in a little town called Laramie, Wyoming, just west of Cheyenne. Some mountains picked up well over an expected foot of snowfall recently out of that. All right, there's that spin with the former Tropical Storm Cristobal. Cold front to the west, they'll interact, and the front will start kicking it eastward. Not until flash flood watches for about 2 to 4 inches. Locally, half a foot or more of rain is possible through early tomorrow morning. And obviously spin in the atmosphere with the tropical depression interacting with the cold front. A couple of slight risks of severe weather are out for tornadoes, damaging winds, very large hail, especially possible from Omaha to Kansas City today, and a marginal risk from Laredo to San Antonio. Not forgetting about you folks out there. Large hail damaging winds possible, some storms out there. So take of note, there is Cristobal that may be the farthest northwest track post-tropical cyclone in the Atlantic hurricane season history. Cold front finally kicks it out. Might end up in Hudson Bay by late this week. But be mindful of the flooding, severe weather, and we'll still watch for heat to the south for your day tomorrow.